Hey guys, Roger here, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, it's time for episode 2 of my massive tech unboxing, and this is what's coming up. Coming up in today's tech unboxing, we've got gaming speakers with RGB, a very masculine gaming headset, an unusual digital photo frame, and once again, you've got the chance to win some of the awesome tech in today's video. Keep watching to find out more. Let's get this one open then. And this is from Lytmi. This is a smart screen strip light. You can put this on the back of a computer monitor, and I believe this actually has software as well you can install, so the LED strip that lights up behind your monitor can match kind of what's on the screen, which is quite cool. But as you can see here, these are the bits that you get in the box. And then to attach this to your computer monitor, it's really simple. So it comes with some clips that you just literally stick around the back edge of your computer monitor, and you can see here this fits absolutely fine. They do have various sizes, but this particular one looks like it's going to fit nicely actually with my ultra wide display here. And once the strip is on, you can plug it in, of course, you can test it out. There is a button as well that you can press to switch between a few different modes. But if you do connect this up to your PC and install the Lytmi software, which you'll find on their website, then you can do stuff like kind of match the RGB behind your monitor to what you see on the screen. It comes with everything in the box that you need, and if you like RGB as much as I do, then I think this is quite cool. It will definitely add a really nice bright amount of color behind your computer monitor, but of course you can adjust it if it's too bright. But yeah, this looks quite good, and that is from Lytmi. Okay, let's jump straight in, and in here, EDIFIER G2000 gaming speakers. Right, these are Bluetooth speakers. They actually have RGB as well. Really cool. You can connect these to your PC via USB. They do also have an auxiliary input, but of course they've got Bluetooth as well. So on the box here it says you have a power output of 8 watts from each speaker, and you have a peak power output of 16 watts per speaker. Now that doesn't sound like much, but what I can tell you is these speakers are very good. They're extremely loud, the bass is fantastic as well from these, but they also have RGB. So obviously I decided to put these with my gaming setup, and they actually look really very nice. But of course they've got the RGB, so it will go very well with any kind of gaming setup, I think. The RGB is not extremely bright, it just adds a nice little bit of color. But let's take a listen to how these speakers sound for music and also for a little bit of gaming. They might look small, but don't underestimate these speakers. The next mystery product then is not quite so much of a mystery, because on the side of the packaging I can see already it says Reolink. That means in here, we have the E1 Pro Wi-Fi camera. But I must admit, I'm quite pleased because this is a camera that I haven't seen from Reolink. So this is a 4 megapixel super high definition camera with pan and tilt, which you can control. It will connect to a 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so that's cool. Two-way audio, SD card option for recording and storing footage. And of course you can view this live. You can view it in real time. It does have two-way audio as well, so you can hear what's going on in a room. This has a microphone, and you can also speak to somebody. For example, if there's a burglar, someone breaking in, you can speak, they can hear you, and hopefully that'll make them run away. Hopefully. Okay, so all I'll say about this is it is a very budget headset. It's very plasticky, it's very cheap, but it is a gaming headset. The sound quality from this is okay. This is the kind of headset I think you'd buy for maybe your kids if you're worried about them going through lots of headsets because they keep getting damaged. Then, you know, it's pink, and apparently it's also very soft on your skin. I mean, it seems that way, but it's very pink, and also this particular headset has a 3.5mm audio jack, and there is an adapter in the box, so you can connect this headset obviously to a PC or even a games console. For gaming, it does also have volume control on the side here and a button to mute the mic as well. So yeah, I mean, it's not bad, but it's very pink. Ooh, this looks quite interesting. Now, I don't know how you pronounce this company's name. It looks like Aeezo or Aeezo, something like that. This is a portrait Wi-Fi digital photo frame. However, it doesn't look like a normal digital photo frame because in fact, there is an app that you can download called Frameo. That's the name of the app. And you can send photos and perhaps even videos to this digital photo frame, and your friends can also download the app and they can send photos and videos they've taken directly to this photo frame. So you can have this in your living room or in the studio here, and all of a sudden you'll get some awesome pictures or videos from your friends show up on the screen, which is really cool. You know what's really nice about this is other people can send you photos, but you can also set your favorite photos and have them on display for everyone to see. So that is a very cool digital photo frame from Aeezo. Next then, we have in this box, we have, LED floodlights. Oh, these are RGB floodlights from Olafus, I think. So yeah, what we have here is two 15-watt floodlights with an IP rating, IP66. These are 15 watts. But when you plug these in, they're fairly bright considering they're quite small. And it does say that they're, only 15 watt. But there's lots of things you could do with this. So you could light up the studio, like for example here, with these floodlights, but you could also put them outside and light up, I don't know, the side of a building maybe, like I've done here with the studio, or even the sign, the studio sign. That looks really cool. So what I really like about these is they're not that heavy, they have a remote control, really easy to change the colours on them, although if you change the colours with the remote control, quite often they'll both change at the same time, so you kind of need to put your hand over one of them while you use the remote control, and when you've changed that one, cover the other one, and then use the remote control, otherwise they both change at the same time. But apart from that, and apart from having quite a short power cable, yeah, Olafus LED floodlights, pretty good. Right, this is a gallium nitride, I think that's how you say it, gallium nitride fast charger. They use a brand new type of technology. They're very different to the kind of power adapters and chargers that we're used to having. And these power adapters can charge much faster than normal, and they don't get as hot as normal chargers do. And also, I believe these are cheaper to run as well. It says on the back of the box, wide compatibility, and it's suitable for smartphones, laptops, tablets, earphones, etc, etc. Speedy charging, enjoy high speed and highly efficient charging. So this is very cool indeed, and it is a new kind of technology, and if anybody went to CES or looked at any CES coverage, I think there were quite a lot of these gallium nitride chargers about. But to be honest, UGREEN is a name that a lot of people will know and will trust, so this is quite an exciting product to have, especially if you need a more powerful charger. That's quite cool. This next one, it's not something I would normally look at, but these are blue light blocking glasses from Ocushield. So the idea of this is to block out blue light when you're looking at a screen, for example, and this will help to protect your eyes. Okay, I don't think they're that expensive, which is fine, but I don't know if they'll last that long. I would imagine if you drop them once or, accidentally sit on them, as you do, I don't think they'll last too long. However, they do seem to work. So I've used these glasses and tried them while I've been working on my computer, while I've been browsing the web or editing videos like the one we're watching now. And you know what? I do actually think this works, and I did try to demonstrate the difference between what your eyes will normally see and what you'll see with these glasses on. Now, you might not be able to notice a massive difference, but there is a difference. It does block some of that blue light. So I think if you're having trouble sleeping, or if your eyes feel like they're strained and you are working with computers and stuff like that, or looking at your phone quite a lot, maybe it's worth giving these a go. And this is from Joby. Okay, this is part of the GorillaPod range. It's the GripTight Pro 2. This is going to hold your mobile phone. It's going to be fantastic for people that film quite a lot with their mobile phone. It will grip onto anything, really. You could wrap it around a tree, wrap it around a metal pole, you know, hold it in your hand. Whatever you want to do, it's going to do it. And as you can see here, it really does have a fantastic grip. Your smartphone is not going to fall out of this holder. So yeah, you could use this and be confident that it's going to hold your smartphone well, and you know, take it out and about. If you're filming vlogs and stuff like that, then this is definitely a must-have accessory. So it's the GripTight Pro 2 from Joby, and yeah, very good indeed, very good. Next up, and this always interests me, is an LED projector. This is the TopVision LED projector, and a really nice surprise to find that in the box they include this big, humongous 100-inch projector screen and some sticky pads and clips and things, so you can just stick this up on a wall somewhere, any wall, I guess, and away you go. So it comes with the screen, which is really cool. Now, we really can't expect too much out of this. It is a budget projector. It's not going to do the same thing that a much more expensive projector will do. However, I don't think it's going to be too bad. So as you can see here, I've set up this projector and I'm projecting it onto a screen in the studio. And just to give you an idea of what it looks like, this is what it looks like with the lights on inside. And then if we turn all the lights off inside, this is what it looks like. This is not bad. It's pretty bright, it's quite clear, and the colours. This is where budget projectors do seem to be improving, I think. This doesn't look too bad. So from what I can see, the maximum resolution from this projector is 1080p. Build quality is pretty good. It's not bad at all. You've got quite a few different inputs. You've got 2 HDMI sockets there, VGA as well. There's a memory card slot, and you've also got a headphone socket and audio out as well, and a USB socket. So if you wanted to use this with like a Chromecast or something, you can plug that straight into the HDMI socket and power it via the USB. That's pretty much it. That's not bad. That doesn't look too bad. And as we saw, the image quality from this was quite good as well. It does obviously come with remote control. It comes with that massive projector screen in the box as well. Pretty good. Wow, okay, you know what? Things just keep on surprising me when I open up these boxes. This is an extension lead with PD charger. So that says 20 watt power delivery. Okay, so you've got a USB-C socket, you've also got a USB socket and 2 normal sockets there for plugs. Obviously, that's a UK plug on this particular one. This could be handy if you need an extension lead, or if you need plug sockets maybe on your desk or somewhere near your desk or something like that. This could be quite handy for that because it has those USB sockets, so you can connect something to them, and yeah, and you've got power right on your desk, I guess. In terms of build quality, it's actually built really well. It's very good quality. The cable is nice and chunky, and the plastic feels really good. So I think that, yeah, I think the build quality with this is good. And yeah, okay, so not a bad extension lead. There you go. So that's from NTONPOWER. Next, we have some accessories from, I'm not sure if it's pronounced elago or elago, I'm not sure, elago I think. And these are iPhone 13 accessories, they're MagSafe accessories. So you've got a couple of stands here to hold the official Apple MagSafe adapter. So the two MagSafe stands are made of silicon, and obviously you just put the MagSafe charger in the stand, and then you've got somewhere to stand the phone, which is quite cool while you're using the MagSafe charger. So do like that. There's also a smaller one, which is a little bit more discreet. That one just lays flat on your desk. And then of course you've got these phone cases which are MagSafe compatible, so they will work also with a MagSafe charger. You've got a black one here which looks really nice, lovely silicone material, and another one which is like a dark blue kind of colour, which again looks really nice. And most importantly, you can see here that they both work really well with Apple's MagSafe charger. Nice quality from Elago. This next one then is ROXI. Probably not something I would personally use, but if you have children, this is quite interesting. So ROXI is a television music service. It's like an app basically. You can use this on your television or your computer monitor, something like that. It works with smart TVs. Also, if you have a Fire Stick, you can install the app on a Fire Stick as well. So basically they have lots of music and stuff like that, but a big part of the ROXI service is karaoke. And one thing they do is these microphones. So this microphone has a built-in battery, it has a built-in speaker, and you can also add echo to your voice as well. So I'm sorry to say I'm not going to sing and demonstrate this, but let's just turn this on. Okay, so that's the mic, and on the front of the mic there is volume control, testing 1 2, aha, and also echo, testing 1 2. I did give this to my daughter, and she really had a lot of fun messing around with this microphone here in the studio. And what I actually did was put the Fire Stick and had that on a projector on a big screen, and she had a dance around and a sing along to a few karaoke tracks. So the service is actually free from what I understand, but you can also pay for a better subscription with access to more karaoke tracks and more normal music as well. So yeah, ROXI. Next we have HackyTime Pro. So these are true wireless ANC earbuds with, of course, a charging case. They have active noise cancellation and transparent mode, so you can hear what's going on around you. It also has 24 hours of battery life. That's using the included case as well. I do quite like the case. It's got like this stone effect kind of finish, which is nice. I believe it is just plastic, but it looks kind of nice. And the earbuds themselves, they're quite comfortable. They don't sound too bad. Quite a nice clear sound you've got coming out of them, and the bass is pretty good with them too. USB-C charging on the bottom, and again, nice case. I like the case. That looks quite cool. So yeah, that's a nice set of earbuds with quite a lot of features too. The HackyTime Pro. So now it's time to talk about the giveaway, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Now, to enter the giveaway for your chance to win one of these products that are shown on the screen now, all you actually have to do is leave me a comment in the description below and tell me which product you would like to win. That's easy as that. That's all you've got to do. Just let me know which product you would like to win, and it could be yours. Okay, so that's it. We made it to the end of episode 2 of this huge tech unboxing. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.